I was recording right, I think.
Ready, go.
You know.
Oh. Hey. Hug each other, hug each other, hug each other, hug each other, hug, hug. That's sportsmanship. Alright, go.
From Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas.
Alright, Nick, he's got him on the ropes. You see him? He's going back, he's going back. He's just getting it. He's just getting it. Oh my God. This is a massacre. What is going to happen? This is crazy.
Stand up, man. Come on.
This is a tank.
Hit him in the face a few times. We'll see how much of a tank he is.
Puta madre.
For my fucking sister.
Remember, this is going on YouTube.
Come on, dude. Hit the body, man. Hit his kidney.
Don't be looking like a pussy, Eric. Come on.
I am a pussy.
Kiss my ear.
They say kiss my ear?
Scrape.
Oh, they say kiss my ear.
Come on, pussy.
How professional boxing do it.
Professional, man. Here, come on, Eric. You're throwing up for the clicker. What's the look? This is a puto 3 puntos. Come on.
Go away. Come on, Eric.
Good steady jab. Good steady jab.
Give him his nuts.
You got the reach, Eric. Give him the jab all day. Just give him the jab. Do the Ali. Do the Ali.
Eric, give him 3 pounds. Kick him.
Ooh, bitch.
Mira que no.
Casi mira, güey.
Yeah, exactly.
And tell him go over there.
Put it on
Put
night
those for
vision,
fucking Mr. Badass, way, huh?
Put that camera on night vision.
Put your hands
Does that roll shit?
Yeah.
Hey, after this one, put it on night vision.
Over there,
You already
put
got
that way.
wait.
Huh?
You already got people.
I know.
Come on, put the... Come on.
We came to see a show, fellas. Come on.
Dale, güey.
No, I'm not, bitch. Huh? No, I'm not, but I ain't too young.
Well, it looks tired, man.
He just fought 2. He whooped you, Cabañas, in like 5 seconds.
Hey, white boys, come over this way. Come towards the building, to the light. Yeah, the light.
Over here.
To the light. Okay, but you can still be boxing, bitch. God.
I'm just on the flash.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hold up then, Pat, chill. Here. How you doing with the English thing?